Hello and welcome to our first attack scenario here. This is going to be very much like a Hello World-esque type example of detection engineering. So we're going to get into that in a bit here. But I do want to congratulate you all on making it this far. We've gotten past all the theory, all the configuration, okay? And now we get to get into the meat of the course here with some attack scenarios and then some automation through Python. So we'll get into the thick of it pretty quickly here. So looking at our first example here as an overview, we have our Parrot OS machine, we have our Windows VM, and we have our Zeek box that sits in between and monitors all the network activity. What we're going to do on our Windows VM is spin up a really simple web server. There's not going to be anything hosted on it really. It's just going to be a very simplistic Python web server. And then we're going to scan that web server with some web scanners on Parrot OS. All right, so we're going to use Nmap, which is a very common network and port scanning tool. We're going to use Nikto, which is a aging but still useful web scanner tool. Okay, and then we're going to use Zap, which is an OWASP product. And you can think of Zap as an open source vulnerability scanner. Okay. So what we're going to do is run these scans against the web server from our Parrot OS machine. And then we're going to pivot to Elastic, look at the logs, and make a couple detections. And again, this is a very simple example, but one in which we can make a couple different types of detections and help showcase how to make this work in Elastic. All right, next up, we're going to set up the attack. I'll see you in the next video.